Mag-ML tayo. Let's go ML. ML time. We're waiting. That's me. Okay. Slay. I'm your hero. I'm here. Yo. Go. We are Filipino. We are Filipino. Oh, yun. Tagalog na rin. Okay, that's okay now. Okay. Last chance. That's me. 2, 1, let's go. I love this game than Roblox. This is my first game. This is my first day for the game. Ay! Pilipino sila! Ay, naka. Loko lang babae. Okay, we can do it. I know. Yeah. Let's go.
Mobile Legends.
Let's go. I know to ML. Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. As twilight falls, the new moon draws near.
Bruh. Where, bruh? Oh, it's there. Let's go.
What? I'm ready.
How? Bruh, how?
Eclipse.
Yawa, ang lalakas nila. Ang lalakas nila. Ha? Ang lakas nila. Let's go. I know we can do it. Let's go. Papalitan sila dun.
Enemy has been slain.
Oh, halika na dito, guys. Guys, help. Yon. Mahina ako. Mahina ako dito. Mahina ako. Kasi bago lang ako dito, syempre. Ano pa ba? Di kasi ako marunong nito. Yeah. Di kasi ako marunong. Kaya bago lang ako dito.
From my arrow.
Patay.
Eclipse.
Patay tuloy. Nice.
The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness.
We can do it. We can do it. We can
An
do
enemy
it.
has been slain.
Wow, na all Pilipino. Pilipino dyan.
An ally has slain the turtle.
That's me. Okay lang ka na.
Slain an enemy.
Yo, wala
My
na.
aim is true.
Ay. No, no.
Grace killing spree. My
Madami
fight
dun,
carries
madami
on.
dun. Mga China dun, mga Pilipino.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ay,
Launch attack.
ay,
An enemy has been slain.
dito tayo daan. Hoy, halika dito. Halika
The
dito.
way of the
Halika
hunt.
dito. Halika dito.
Spectacle and
Yo,
perish in the sacred moonlight. The way of the arrow. Swift,
dapat lang ako sa
silent, and
inyo.
precise. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Killing spree. Destroy the turret.
Yun ang ano ko.
Launch attack. The moon partially sheds her grace on every corner of the fields. You destroyed a turret. Launch attack. May the moon forever shine upon us. Trespassers will not be tolerated.
Layo tayo, layo. Ay,
The eclipse. I'm ready to re-enter the battle. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain.
wow. Wow.
Our turret has been double kill.
Double kill daw.
Request backup.
Double kill. Who want to supports me? Only one likes, or if you want, like my video. Let's go. Where's that? Bro.
The moon partially sheds her fade into the moonlight. You destroyed a turret.
Ako yan.
Launch attack.
Oh, bawal ako pupunta.
Until the
Pilipino pa ba
has been
yan?
slain. Must fight carry. Turret is under attack.
Pilipino ba ba yan? Marunong nata sila. I'm not. Let's go.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Here.
Request backup.
Ay, may crocodile. Ay. I always play this now.
The way of the bow. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Double kill.
The forest might burn. The moon may be dark. But our hope outlives everything.
Yun ako, yo. Yo, sira ako.
Victory!
Yo. Thank you. Yun. That's me. Okay. Quick. Yan. Okay. Claim. Go. Start game. Enter. Pilipino lahat. Mga malalakas na andyan. Mga malalakas dyan. Mag-like kayo. Paano to? Select your hero. Huh? Okay. How? Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. We can bawi. 5, 4. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin ko. Kahit bago pa ako dito. Let's go. Let's go. Wala yung mga China. Marcos. Silence, please. Laila. Naul. Bata pa ako kaya naglalaro na ako ng ML.
Mobile Legends.
Let's go. Sundan nyo ako mga par.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. Launch attacks deployed.
Oh, my money. Just give me my money. Yay. Let's go. Saan kayo? Ayun.
That once little girl is gonna save something.
Tulungan niyo ako.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. First blood.
Patay. Patay siya.
That enemy double kill.
What? Dito tayo daan. Para madali. Ano yun? Dito tayo dadaan.
The gun represents justice when pointing at bad guys. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Slain an enemy. That once little girl. Enemy has been slain.
Uy, daming kalaban.
The gun represents justice when pointing at bad guys.
Wait lang. Magpapaano mo nga ako.
Killing spree. That
Dito mo na
one
ako.
little girl.
Mamamatay na ako.
The gun represents justice. You have been slain.
Patay. Hi, bye-bye.